So changing out the gutter bed rail on a 2003 Chevy Avalanche. This is the part I picked up on eBay. They were available online at one point in time, but it seems like all the wholesalers online don't carry them anymore. So if you're lucky to find one on eBay, then go for it. Got it for about 60 bucks, which is a pretty good deal. So the way this works is there's a left and a right, and it's also the same for Gen 1 and Gen 2. The main difference is that the right one, this mount here is shifted further back, and this mount in the front is shifted further back this way. So that's how you can tell for left and the right. So this is the right side, where the back one is pushed back, and the front one is also pushed back. And all you have to do is pull down on this, and it just pops right off. So you can see here, this is my failure point. There's separation along the rubber part and the plastic. I found one on the right side, but I don't have one for the left side. So what I'm gonna do for the left side is just get some RV body tape and fill up the crack, and that should be good. So hope this helps. Have a good one.